Fusion2Go MAX can be installed in minutes without tools or permanent changes to your vehicle. Everything you need comes in the box: your interior antenna, signal booster unit, magnetic rooftop antenna, and DC power supply. Since the rooftop antenna is magnetic, all you need to do is place it on the roof of your vehicle. Find a spot where you can easily run the antenna cable through a window to the interior of the vehicle. You can hide the cable anywhere it's convenient for you, but most people run it between the rear seats as you see here. Tuck it all the way down to the floor to where you'll be placing the booster unit. Then connect the end of the outside antenna cable to the receptacle labeled for the outside antenna. Your inside antenna may most effectively reach the entire vehicle when mounted to a seat, or you can mount it near your dash. To mount the inside antenna, simply peel the backing off the included Velcro strip and stick it to your chosen location. Then stick on the Velcro-backed antenna. Now you're ready to plug the power supply into your vehicle's cigarette lighter. Once it's plugged in, run both the power cable and inside antenna cable between the seats and down to the floor to the signal booster. Now connect your inside antenna to the signal booster. It connects to the opposite side as the outside antenna. Then take the end of your power supply and plug it into the booster. Now that you're all plugged in, bundle up your cables and tuck them out of the way or run them underneath your floor mats, whichever works best for you. Then stash your signal booster underneath the nearest seat. Power up your booster by hitting the button on the end of your DC power supply. When the lights on your booster turn to steady green, your Fusion2Go MAX is ready to use. Now, when life takes you out of range, SureCall's Fusion2Go MAX keeps you connected with reliable calls and fast data.